Hi all, in this brief tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a banner for your blog. You will need to have some photographs that you'd like to use or some other visual image that you've created. You'll need to have access to PowerPoint or another online photo editor such as Picnic. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a banner and then put it at the top of your blog. Okay, let's get started. This is an image that I created using a free app called Photosynth. And here's another image that I downloaded from the web that I might use instead of Photosynth. Now I'm in PowerPoint, and I'm going to use PowerPoint to add text to my image. So I will go up to Insert, Photo, Picture from a File, and I'm going to choose my Brick Houses JPG, the photograph that I've already showed you. I sort of like the shape of it. It's long and narrow the way a picture has to be on a blog. I might want to make that a little bit smaller. When I'm done with that, I'm going to insert word art, and I'm probably going to make this, I'll move it up a little bit here, and I'm going to call this Looking at Houses. Just as a beginning, that would be the name of my text. And then I'm probably going to want to make this smaller, so I'll highlight the text and right-click on it, click on Font, and then I'm going to change that text size to, I don't know, let's say what happens when I go to 28. That seems a lot better. Then I want to move the whole thing. Oops. By clicking on it, and then I'll put it up here. That seems good. And then I can do a lot of other stuff with it. If I highlight the text, I can go up here and I can change the color. I can add effects. Maybe I want to add a shadow. Something like this to make it a little bit easier to read. When I'm done with that, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to launch a program. I'll click my Apple, go down here and I will click my Finder and I will go to my applications and I will use in my utilities folder here, I'll use a program called Grab. You can see now it's launched. And I will grab, so I'll capture a selection. And here I want to, tells me what to do, drag over the portion of the screen you want to capture. So I'll probably, keeping in mind what a blog looks like, if you'll recall from our class blog, it looks like this. It's just sort of narrow, long and narrow. I'll come back here and use my grab function. Something about like this. And there I have it. So I'm going to save that. I'm going to call it blog logo, and I'm going to put it on my desktop so that I can find it. And there I have it. I have created a banner for my blog. So once I have my blog banner done, a blog logo or banner, I'm going to go back to the blog itself. And here it is. You remember this beautiful design. And I'm going to click Design up here in the upper right, which I can do because I'm logged in. I'm going to go back to Layout, remember this, and I'm going to click here on the header. I'm going to edit that, and I'm going to make sure that Shrink to Fit is clicked, so whatever picture I use will fit into the space that's available. And I'm going to do it instead of the title and description because I put that text on my image already. Then I'm going to choose a file. My blog logo, you see it's on my desktop. I was able to find it very easily. I'm going to choose that. It will take a second for it to upload. And then I'm going to click the Save button. I'll make sure to do that. I always click Save Arrangement, even though you probably don't need to every time. And then I'm going to click View Blog. And there you have it. Now, of course, the first thing you'll say is, wow, that design, the colors really don't match the picture at all. So I would want to go back into Design and choose Layout, which will take me to, go to Template, and that will take me to, if I click Customize, it will take me back to this template customizer, and I could come back to the background, and maybe now that I have a better sense of the color, I would remove this image, and maybe I would go with a different color, something that looks better with the image of the picture that I have. So that's it. That's the lesson. Good luck. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. And I look forward to seeing you in class on Wednesday.